In this video, let me show you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to PayPal. Before you can withdraw, make sure you've already used your PayPal account to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. Withdrawals are only allowed through previously used and approved payment methods. To begin, open the Prizepicks app, then tap the menu in the top left corner, or if you're using a browser, click the menu in the top right, select Request Withdrawal. A one-time password will be sent to your email. Enter that to confirm your request. Prizepick has a one-time playthrough requirement. This means if you deposited $25, you need to play through 25 in lineups before withdrawing. Also, you must use credit funds for lineups. Premium funds don't count toward playthrough. Make sure your PayPal info is accurate. If it's incorrect, your withdrawal will fail and the funds will go back to your credit balance. There's also a minimum $10 withdrawal, and only one successful withdrawal is allowed every 24 hours. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.